Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm here with the BC Mustang Cruising Club and we've got 30 cars here, so we're gonna check it out and we're gonna check out their stories. Stick around. Today I am at the Chilliwack Car Show and my goodness, it's a good one. We've got 500 cars today, we've got 20,000 people. We've got a range from 1969 Mustangs and it goes up from the, from the 60s, the 70s, the 80s, the 90s and so on, all the way right down to the 22. There's so many cars today and it's really cool to check out. And most of all, the stories are real, man. They are, the passion there, it's incredible. So let's keep checking them out.
Been searching. Though I wasn't looking for much, checking out the scene, wasn't trying to get my numbers up. You know I keep it cool. I prefer to stay in the cut. Don't want no attention on me when I'm trying to shake the blues up off me. But then I saw your face, it caused my heart to race. Girl, you're looking like $1 million. Something about the way you strut your stuff. Oh, girl, you're fine as you wanna. What I'm supposed to do? Something told me got it time to lose.
Now here's the reason why I grabbed my Mustang. The beautiful 1969.
When it comes and goes, you never know. So you gotta keep your heart exposed, and you can be sure there's no cause.
Now here's one of my personal favorites, the Bullet. Let's check it out.
Fall back just a little, don't wanna lead you on. Don't wanna push a feeling and make the feeling go. You see, I got your number, but still I ain't used the phone. No, I let it breathe for a minute, baby. Next thing I know, you call.
Here we got a 1968 Mustang.
I know about love. You never know when it's coming, but you sure know it when it does. Yeah. One thing I know about love, you might get what you ask for, so you better be sure it's what you want. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
I've seen this one before.
Oh yeah.
We got a beautiful 1965 Mustang.
Funny thing about love, when it comes and goes, you never know. So you gotta keep your heart exposed, and you can be sure.
My personal favorite, 1960 Mustang.
And when it wants you, all men come and find you. Yeah. One thing I know about love, you never know when it's coming, but you sure know it when it does. Yeah. One thing I know about love, you might get what you ask for, so you better be sure.
That was awesome. I love it! It's still cool.